You're watching How Leap. Let's send contacts by SMS on your iPhone. Open the Contacts app and find the contact you want to share. Tap on the contact to open their details. Scroll down and tap Share Contact. A sharing menu will appear. Select the option for Message. This will open a new message window in the Messages app with the contact attached as a VECF file. In the To field, enter the phone number of the recipient. You can add a text message above the contact file if you wish. Finally, tap the Send arrow to send the SMS message containing the contact card. The recipient will receive a text message with the contact file attached. They can tap on it to open and then choose Add to Contacts to save it to their own address book. This method uses SMS or message depending on the recipient's device. If they use an iPhone, it will send via message if you have an internet connection. Otherwise, it will send as a standard SMS. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.